That's a nice garden. I used to do a lot of garden, but monster lies in Diss Norfolk UK did cost me my landscaping business, employment, my 4-bedroom house. Nearly got me killed on 3 occasions, my family, my friends. So monster black lies will get you beaten, stabbed, shot and set on fire, or locked up in the Norfolk Bacon SS Port Farm, Dr. Death's Black SS Pigsty Maze, which is full of mad monster lies, bogus diagnoses and lethal injections. But that's how its gardens go. Yeah, that is quite a nice garden. Deliberately with mad monster black serial killer lies, Africa, Diss, Norwich and Sandringham, Dr. Death SS, Silver Bullet Him, Kitson, bogus diagnosis, death threats, to get you done in or to get you locked up, and it's all to cover up their high crimes, their frames and fixes, and certainly not mine. That's why, as I say, it's definitely worth exposing. There's a classic unique story, a 22-year catch-22, complete abuse of power, position, authority and influence in public office. But it's also a classic masterpiece, all online for the world to see free. And always the case, who's the real deal, who's telling the truth, the real McCoy, and who are the fake lies, full of porky pie, serial killer lies. And certainly crack and watch True Detectives. No Diss Lawnmower man here. And I could really relate to that, because everyone wanted everyone to believe that Russ Cole, one of the True Detectives, was the real dark horse, Jekyll and Hyde, mad, deranged, insane, demon possessed, satanic killer. And nothing could be further from the truth. Russ Cole was the only one who was pursuing the real satanic killers, satanic ritual abuse and sacrifice of children and young girls. No one somewhere in high places, untouchable, and the same is very true in my own story. So I could really relate to that, but pretty good watch. But certainly no Diss Norfolk UK. Parish Fields Not So Healthy Centre, Lawns Healthcare out of practice, Diss Lawnmower man here. And God bless and take care.